How to use my breaks for free. The first thing you need to do is confirm that your account is verified. Unverified accounts are not eligible for free membership. If you're currently an executive member, check the number of days remaining on your membership to confirm any additional days rewarded from referrals you make. You get rewarded with 30 days of free executive membership for each new member you successfully refer to My Breaks. All your referrals will be displayed under Referrals and Rewards on the Refer Friends section. To refer friends, you can either copy and share your personal link or click on Share Link to immediately share it on any of your social media accounts, messages, WhatsApp or email. You can also refer new members by sharing breaks, whether it's a break you organised yourself or any other break organised by another member that you think people might find interesting to participate in. All you need to do is access a break, click on the share button, and you'd be able to share it through any method. You'll be rewarded for anyone who signs up after visiting the break you shared. You can check the status of your referrals on the Refer Friends section. Any members you find on the list below are people who signed up after viewing your shared links, but until they verify their accounts, you won't be rewarded with free membership. Once the members you referred verify their accounts, you'll be notified. As you can see in this scenario that 30 days have been rewarded from your referral to 3 members, D, G and C, for verifying their accounts, while no reward was issued through member A because they were previously registered on My Breaks. And no rewards yet through members F, E and B because they still haven't verified their accounts. If you go back to the membership section, you can see that the remaining days on the membership has increased from 30 to 120 days, and that's due to the 3 referrals rewarded.